The Golden Jubilee celebration of the Stella Maris Secondary School under the Catholic Mission and St. George Parish in Wahlang concluded on the 31st of November 2024. Sohiong Mla Synshar Lyngdoh Thabah attended as the chief guest, with MDC Sherbor Mawlong serving as the guest of honor. Also in attendance were Father Felix Lyngkhoi, who is the school's principal, the vice principal, past students, current pupils, invitees and residents of Wahlang village. Prior to the closing ceremony, a holy mass was led by the Archbishop of the Shillong Diocese, Reverend Father Victor Lyngdoh, who is also an alumnus of the school. Parish priest Father Sylvanus Nongkanri, Father Edwin Kahid and other clergy members also participated in the service. In his address, the MLA of Sohiong Synshar Lyngdoh Thabah announced plans to elevate Wahlang village into a smart village, noting that computers and printers have been distributed to schools across Sohiong constituency. He commended Stella Maris Secondary School for its role as the area's only Catholic mission school, emphasizing its commitment to the educational needs of local children and youth.
School abigi batay spam yang tagay men life ngamar khat roy ano yepi misha karitang sisir syakali yang buat class 7 kamausa ona so class 7 for school yang na baginya yang bumayang menay buang babarafat what are the in the life lapoy kapali jonga yang ko alok nang mi mo tin pare hawan bien emily nabar aru to por hi ladoni mahe tangan tu kapur iwan gino hikai iwan yang Thabah ba you focus on your studies puli bhai akot adangla bolong IAS tangan lemba kajikram tu hikai anesa ane pokli nadu nakatuga por shakmat khat chabalet ngong balong uta UPSC aspirant but YS banyalam ya jela kejongi la puli lalek keleng berpuli sabu nangni jela sedi sabu dan hero compete amun man lagi competitive exams andre ngano ipi teng bade kade kamun jong bule na kajik thu komwen wan sini toy man sa service man penvet bapan bahai kapan bapan lepa panai service man yaki pajba kelalo ko mo for class 7 ko lo beli kelalo ko beli do perementa tangani na siya pagari ke bor ba kajung beli ban skwa bonong bode menta nga kami snow re yaki khna kajungi basyang mene ni saya school no patrio snowy menero beginong ko along emeli baru kai ko along engineer ko along doktor ko along kita bang kita ki profession harga patrio snow manang ko along emeli.
During the event, the MDC of Sohiong Sherbor Mawlong pledged rupees 5 lakh from the district council scheme to the school management intended to enhance resources for supporting the school's young students.
Ya Dr. Clifford J.K. Wardry ipada video jong ka Sohiong. Dr. Clifford J.K.